Good morning, children. Today we are going to see about the next topic, that is the natural disasters. Yes, and today is like theme for week 3 we are starting, and in this week 3 we have the topic like natural disasters. So first I will read it this topic for you once, then we'll go with the explanation part. And I request everyone to open your course books and keep in front of you, and what wherever I am reading, please follow. Natural disasters. A disaster is a calamity or mishap on a large scale that affects a lot of people. It is caused by different forces of nature and also by human beings. Natural disasters are extreme and sudden events caused by the environmental factors that injure human beings and damage properties. Earthquakes, volcanoes, tsunamis, cyclones, etc. are some natural disasters. Number 1, earthquake. Earthquake. An earthquake is a sudden and violent movement within the earth, which is followed by a series of tremors, that is, vibration or shaking of the ground. Sometimes the tremors are very violent. These can be caused of uprooting trees, collapsing buildings, bridges, and roads, etc. The source or the point of origin of an earthquake lies inside the earth and is called the focus. The point on the earth's surface directly above the focus of the earthquake is called the epicenter. This is the place where the effect of the earthquake is the greatest. The study of earthquake is called seismology. An instrument called a seismograph determines the strength of an earthquake. A scale that measures the intensity of the earthquake is called a Richter scale. Volcano. A volcano is a mountain with a vent, an opening through which molten rocks from the interior of the earth are erupted to the surface. The liquid or molten rock inside the earth is called magma. Once magma erupts to the surface of the earth by the volcanic eruption, it is called lava. Flowing lava is very hot and it burns whatever comes in its path. Ash and gases also come out during the volcanic eruption. An active volcano is one that erupts regularly, such as Mount Etna in Italy. A dormant volcano is one which has not erupted for a long time. This volcano is also called a sleeping volcano, such as Mount Rainier in USA. A volcano is said to be an extinct if it has not erupted during recorded history. Mount Pope in Myanmar is an example of an extinct volcano. Did you know the biggest known volcano in our solar system is on Mars? Its name is Olympus Mons. It's about 600 kilometers wide and 21 kilometers high. Turn the next page. Next, tsunami. A tsunami is a huge ocean wave caused by an underwater earthquake or volcanic eruption. The tsunami cannot be seen clearly in deep waters, but when it approaches the land, it becomes a wall of water towering 10 to 15 meters above the surface. The wave destroys everything in its path. A tsunami in 2004 was caused by an earthquake in the Indian Ocean. Many people of Tamil Nadu and Kerala died in the disaster. Cyclone. A cyclone is a fiercely strong storm. It consists of rotating wind that moves at high speed. The cyclone travels at a great speed and is always accompanied by heavy rain. It causes great destruction by uprooting trees, electric poles, etc., and also rips off roots from the houses. Ashish, 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 start reading
And
from the first natural disasters.
Ma'am, from earthquake,
No, natural disasters. Starting. Natural disasters.
natural disasters.
Page number 17.
A disaster is calamity or
Calamity.
mishap,
Calamity.
calamity or
Mm.
mishap
Mm.
on a large scale that affects a lot of people.
Mm.
It is caused by different forces of natural and also by human beings.
Mm.
Natural disasters
Mm.
are extremely and
Extreme.
suddenly
Extreme.
and, su-
Sudden.
and suddenly events cause
Sudden. Ashish,
sudden
don't
events
get confused. See, ly is not there. See properly. Extreme and
sudden
sudden.
extreme and sudden events
Mm.
caused by environmental
Mm.
factors
Mm.
that injure
In.
human beings and
Mm.
damage properties.
Mm.
Earthquakes, volcanoes, tsunami, cyclones,
Mm.
etc.
Mm.
are some natural disasters.
Okay. Okay, Ashish, thank you. Next, Nirvi. Nirvi, read earthquake paragraph.
Ma'am,
Mm.
your voice is slow, ma'am. I can't hear you.
Earthquake. Earthquake. Page number 17. Earthquake. Next, Viraj, read earthquake.
Earthquake. An earthquake is a sudden and violent movement within the earth which is followed by a series of tremors,
Tremors.
vibration, or shaking of the ground.
Mm.
Sometimes the tremors are very violent.
Mm.
These can be the cause of uprooting trees, collapsing buildings, bridges, and roads, etc.
Yes, very good. Next, Anidhi, read the next paragraph.
The source or the point of origin of an earthquake lies inside the earth and is called the focus.
Mm.
The point on the earth's surface directly above the focus of the earthquake is called the epicenter.
Mm.
This is the place where the effect of the earthquake is is the
Great.
greatest.
Yes.
The
Yes,
study
good. Next. Next, next. Next. Mm, Darwin.
Ma'am,
Yes, read. The
The
study of.
study, the study of earthquakes is called seismology. An instrument is called
Mm,
as a
Again, you read.
seismograph.
Again, you read. The study of.
The study of earthquakes is called
Mm,
seismology. An
Seismology.
seismology.
Mm,
An instrument called a seismograph.
Seismograph.
Seismograph
Mm, Determines.
determines the strength of an earthquake,
Mm,
a scale that measures the intensity of the
Intensity. Intensity.
intensity of the earthquake is called a Richter scale.
Yes, very good. Next. Sai Kirtan. Volcano. Sai Kirtan. What happened, ma? Read. Volcano.
A volcano is a mountain with a vent through which molten rock from the interior of the earth are erupted to the surface. The
Erupted to the
liquid or
surface. Erupted.
erupted erupted to the surface.
Mm,
The liquid or molten rock inside the earth is called magma.
mm. Once. Once
Once
magma
magma erupts to the
erupts.
surface of
Mm,
the earth, magma erupts to the
mm.
surface of the earth by the volcano eruption.
Eruption.
It is called lava eruption. It is called lava.
Mm,
Lava is very hot and it burns whatever it comes in its path.
Mm. Ash and
Ash
gas.
and gases also come out during the volcanic eruption.
Eruption.
An act
Yeah. Next. Sadgun, read next paragraph. An active volcano. Unmute yourself.
okay.
Mm.
An activity volcano is
Active volcano.
an active volcano is one that erupts
Erupts.
erupts regularly, such as Mount in
Etna.
Etna in Italy
Italy.
and Italy.
Mm.
A dormant volcano is one which has not erupted
Erupted.
for a long time.
Mm.
This volcano is also called a sleeping volcano, such as Mount
Rainier.